When buying a condo, make sure to do your homework. Here's what I mean by that. Condos have HOAs or homeowner associations that govern what can and cannot take place. So it's very important to vet out the following items of an HOA. Number one, financial stability. HOAs operate by collecting monthly dues from all residents and using those dues or those funds to maintain the building. HOAs that manage correctly will properly manage the funds and save for upcoming repairs that are needed. HOAs that don't manage correctly often have to increase dues or add on special assessments. And the latter can lead to big unexpected expenses as an owner. Number two, restrictions. Even though you own the unit, HOAs can restrict many things, such as can you rent the unit out? Can you have a pet? Could you add an AC unit, etc. So be sure to review all possible restrictions to make sure you're not caught off guard. Number three, financing options. Not all condos are approved for traditional financing such as conventional, FHA, or VA loans. While it is key to check out all these items while you're looking to buy a condo for yourself, remember it is key that this can affect the resale ability down the road. Be sure to rely on your lender and realtor partners to help you with this review process.